Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Today we will learn 6th Standard English, Term 2, Unit 1, First Prose Sports Stars. In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English, Term 2, Unit 1, Sports Star, Section 1. Before going to the lesson, let us see some words and the meanings. Recognized, known, acknowledged, accepted, privileged, honor, consecutive, one after another, identity, who or what a person is or how a person is known, inspiration, her a person one looks up to, passion, desire. Let us move on to the lesson. Sports stars, section 1. Sports star, her both Aisha and Madi enjoy playing games and sports. Let's join them. Catch the ring, Madi. Oops, I missed it. I hope all living games and sports, and many of them participated in many competitions, isn't it? One the games also cricket. Means who comes to your minds naturally? We think about Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli and etc. Isn't it? Here we are going to see new cricketer in this lesson or going to read a diary account of a schoolboy. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold and I had the best day at school day. So he started, each day was a new beginning. Let us see. Cricket is something that I love. Yes, all the boys love cricket. Today my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli and many other male players in Indian cricket team. But she introduced Mithali Durairaj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of Indian women's cricket team in Test and One Day Nationals ODI, One Day Internationals. I never thought a woman would play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, it is not for you. You had better play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play game at age of 10 and that she was selected for the cricket team, Indian team at the age of 17. Mithali lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she had been widely recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only women cricketer to surpass the 6,000 runs mark in ODI, One Day International. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50 runs. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket as she is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats including Test, ODIs and T20s I would love to quote with Mithali had to say about this compliment. She said, on the one hand, beginning compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, began a women cricketer. I want people to know me for my own identity. I, I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the ground where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and returned the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure name and the place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for women. Many of us think cricket for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. The government of India, in recognition of her contribution to cricket, conferred on her Padma Shri Award. All the girls achieve the goals like Mithali Durairaj, isn't it? And I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another women player, Smriti Madhana, hit stylish half centuries and Indian courage to the comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in the second Women's T20 International. On 23rd of February 2018, Mithali anchored the inning to the perfection with an unbeaten 76 runs. Now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed, I certainly will be happy when my little sisters follow her passion. Isn't it, children? Do you know? Women's Cricket World Cup is older than men's. The Women's World Cup was first held in England in 1973, 2 years before the inaugural of Men's Cricket World Cup. So, Women World Cup was started first in England. After that only he started Men's World Cup. Isn't it, children? Let us know about some more information about Mithali Durairaj. Mithali Durairaj, she was born on 3rd December in 1982 in Tamil family in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Her father Durairaj was an airman. Mother is Leela Raj. She lives in Hyderabad, Telangana. She started coaching in school. She became the first player from India to score 2000 runs in T20 International. She received several awards including the Wish, then leading the women cricketer in 2017, Arjuna Awards in 2003, Padma Shri in 2015 by the Government of India. So, my dear children, we have to do something to our country like Mithali Durairaj. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.